The Latin maxim Ubi Jus Ibi Remedium means where there is a right, there is a remedy. This principle is foundational in law, emphasizing that if a person's legal rights are infringed upon, the law must provide a remedy. Indian courts have consistently upheld this maxim, as seen in several landmark cases that demonstrate the judiciary's commitment to protecting individuals' rights by ensuring a remedy is available for any violation. Key Indian case examples illustrating Ubi Jus Ibi Remedium. Ashby v. White, 1703. While not an Indian case, this British case set a global precedent. Here, Ashby was wrongfully prevented from voting. The court upheld that since Ashby's right was violated, he deserved a remedy, even in the absence of financial loss. This case established that any infringement of a legal right requires a remedy, laying the foundation for its application in Indian law. Municipal Corporation of Delhi v. Subhagwanti, 1966. A clock tower owned by the Municipal Corporation of Delhi collapsed, causing fatalities. The court applied res ipsa loquitur and determined that since the municipal corporation was responsible for maintaining the tower, they were liable. This case reinforced the idea that when a duty of care is breached, resulting in harm, a remedy must be available to the affected party. Bhagwati v. Delhi State, 1966. The Supreme Court reaffirmed that fundamental rights violations entitle individuals to a remedy, ensuring access to the courts for redress. This case strengthened the principle by highlighting that no violation of constitutional rights should go without remedy. D.K. Basu v. State of West Bengal, 1996. Activist D.K. Basu filed a petition regarding custodial torture and deaths, arguing violations of Article 21, the right to life. The Supreme Court acknowledged these rights and established custodial guidelines to prevent further abuse. This case highlighted that every citizen's right to life and liberty requires a remedy, especially in cases involving state action. Rudal Shah v. State of Bihar, 1983. Wrongfully detained for over 14 years, Rudal Shah sought compensation, arguing his right to liberty was violated. The Supreme Court awarded him compensation, emphasizing that wrongful detention must come with a remedy. This case exemplifies that even when personal liberty is violated, compensation can serve as a crucial remedy. M.C. Mehta v. Union of India, 1987. Following an industrial gas leak, M.C. Mehta filed a petition for a clean environment under Article 21. The court held industries liable for hazardous activities, awarding compensation, and setting environmental standards. This case applied the maxim by ensuring that citizens have a remedy when their right to a healthy environment is infringed. Recent Indian cases reinforcing Ubi Jus Ibi Remedium. Indian Young Lawyers Association vs. State of Kerala, the Sabarimala Temple case, 2018. The Supreme Court held that restrictions on women entering the Sabarimala Temple violated the right to equality and freedom of religion, ordering that women of all ages be permitted entry. This case confirmed that any infringement of rights, particularly equality, requires a remedy. Shakti Vahini v. Union of India, 2018. In response to rising honor killings, the court issued guidelines to protect individuals' right to marry by choice. By ordering preventive measures, the court reinforced that victims of such violations should have remedies available to ensure personal autonomy and safety. Navtej Singh Johar v. Union of India, 2018. This case led to the decriminalization of Section 377, which had criminalized consensual homosexual relationships. The Supreme Court acknowledged the LGBTQ+ community's right to privacy and dignity, asserting that any violation of personal liberty must be remedied. K.S. Puttaswamy v. Union of India, 2017. This landmark case recognized the right to privacy as a fundamental right. The court ruled that the state's surveillance under the Aadhaar program should respect privacy, confirming that violations of this right warrant legal recourse. Joseph Shine v. Union of India, 2018. The Supreme Court struck down Section 497, which criminalized adultery, as it was discriminatory. By decriminalizing adultery, the court affirmed that gender equality in personal choices must be protected with available remedies for any infringement. In all these cases, the judiciary has upheld Ubi Jus Ibi Remedium, ensuring that every infringement of a legal or fundamental right is met with an appropriate remedy. This maxim remains a cornerstone of Indian jurisprudence, reinforcing the judiciary's role in safeguarding individual rights and maintaining a just legal system. For in-depth insights and expert analysis on landmark cases and legal principles like these, don't forget to join the KanoonPlus channel, your trusted resource for understanding the complexities of Indian law.